In this tutorial, I am going to demonstrate 3 different programs that we can use to resize our wallpapers to use in Theme Builder 5.0. I have a photo folder open. I'm going to right-click and I'm going to open with Able Batch Converter. Now this file is now been placed in here. In the program itself, you can do multiple photos at the same time, as many as you like. Then we would go to Actions, and we would go to Add, and click on Resize. I have the size set at 480 by 360, and I would click OK, and then I would go to Results. In this case, I have it set up for my external drive in the wallpapers that I was using, and then the folder that it was in. So I have this all set up, so I'm going to click Start. The process is now complete. You can click OK and drop down out of here. And if we go down to the bottom, you will see that we have a 480 by 360 image now completed. As you can see over here, it defines the size that we now created. Now we can also close out of that program. We're going to go back to the image once again, and we're going to reopen it using the program Gimp. This is rather large, so I think I'll shrink this down a little bit to get in between here. Now if we go to Image, Scale Image, you will see that we have a 1920 by 1080, and right now these sizes are linked together. That's unlinked, this is linked. Now you can leave this linked together and select width and choose 480 and hit enter. And because it's linked, it's going to automatically change the size. Now this height is not what we're looking for, so you'll break that link and then you can individually change these numbers. So we're going to change that to 360 scale once again, and here is your new image. You can go back into Image, Scale Image, and you can see now it is 480 by 360. And we will, then you can go to File, Save As, and you can rename this. If you leave this now in Gimp at this picture, it will resize that picture to 480 by 360. What you'd want to do is do 1-1 or 480 by 360. That way you would preserve the 1920 by 1080 and also your 480 by 360 program. So we will not save that, and we will drop out of Gimp. And now I'm going to go to this program, this picture one more time. I'm going to right click and I'm going to open with Adobe Photoshop. While this is opening, I just want to say that there is many methods out there to utilize. This is just the 3 that I use. Now we have Photoshop open. There is our image. We're going to go to Images and to Image Size, and we can see that it is once again 1920 by 1080. Again, if I was to check this box down here, it would give you that same link option, and we know that that link doesn't work, so I'm going to break that link. We're going to type in 480 by 360 and click OK, and you can see now that it is considerably smaller. We can go in once again and check that size, and there is 480 by 360. This is 3 different programs that you can use to resize your images.